Giuseppe, what are you doing?
Today I'm going to be doing an oil change on my GTI. I'm going to be using the ZROD 1040 zinc oil.
Oh, this is good stuff.
From AMSoil.
That's good stuff.
So that's what I'm using.
Good stuff.
It's also synthetic too, so
No
that's
They
great.
give you a lot of stuff.
Yeah, they
what
did.
You got here? They hooked you up, man.
They did. Check it
it out.
Look.
Your oil. You got all kinds of other oil. You got the limited slip. This is for posies.
Yep.
I have a friend that the rear locked up because he wasn't using this on a posi rear. Oh yeah. Went to make a right turn, the whole car spun around. Yep. Cool. All right, let's knock it out. Make it happen, baby.
Okay. Now, here's something I do. If you don't want to make oil spill on the floor, I do this. Hold the oil pan like this and then take it off. Okay? Really nice.
What a job. What a guy.
And slowly go like this. Spilling. Right? Come on. Are you serious? Stop! You're making a mess! Stop! You're making a mess! You're cleaning
all right. Come on, stop fooling
So now,
around.
see how the oil goes this way? You want to stay at it and move the oil pan.
Some people walk away. They go for lunch.
Now,
and this thing is,
be over
next
here.
thing you know, the pan's there and this thing's dripping all the way over here.
Because it moved.
Go ahead, explain now.
You made a mess. Oh, see? You know what it's doing? Well, stop!
Okay, all right. Stop fooling around.
So yeah, that's some dirty oil.
It's old. You know something? Since I got the car, I didn't change it. Well, the guy I got it from, he swore to me that it's been done. And it's not the worst thing I've ever seen. It's probably why I didn't change it, or someone believed it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. 99% of the time, you're going to be using these tools to take an oil filter off of an old car. Now, you could use some of these on a new car too, but I'm not even going to get into that today. It's too much.
Yeah, new cars, it's a whole different ball game.
It is.
Right? You need permission from the planet Vulcan to take it off.
Why?
Why? Because if you don't, they'll shrink your head. Here, check this too today. The oil in the transmission.
Alright, I think I dropped the drain plug in here. Can't find it. There it is. Got it. Okay. Wash my hands real quick. Filthy. But hey, it's a dirty job, but somebody's got to do it. Alright, let me wipe this. Now make sure the copper seal's on here. Very important. Alright, the drain plug was missing the copper washer. So I have an assortment drawers and I actually got a new one. So usually what I do, I wipe where the drain plug is because it's full of oil. Usually after I'm done with the job, I like to not leave a mess and I wipe everything like I am now, wiping around the drain plug so that there's no oil. But today, my father had to come over and touch the oil when it was draining out and I made a mess. That's good. Now, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put the oil pan exactly under the oil filter, more or less. I'm gonna use this tool for the oil filter. Take it off. Right?
Here we go. Hey, you know what happened one time? I remember at the shop when I was a kid, right? We had a car like this come in, I think it was a Golf, and the oil filter was definitely not coming off. Somebody put it on without any oil on the little rubber seal. After the oil change, he put the new filter on like this, with a ratchet. He goes,
"What are you doing this
weekend?
weekend?
Cliff, what are you doing this weekend?" And you could just never get it off. We had to take the whole radiator out and everything. We had to take the whole housing off to get the
the housing has Allen heads, doesn't it?
Yeah, of course. The hard ones.
Of course, right? Yeah.
There you go.
Yep. Alright, now I'm going to put the oil filter on. Now let's not make the mistake everybody else does. We're going to actually put oil on the seal. Okay, good. Okay, so now I'm going to check the old filter, make sure the seal is on, because you don't want two seals on at once. See? There. Now, we are going to put oil in it. We're going to put about 4 quarts in it, start the car, let the oil go into the oil filter, and then we're gonna probably have to put half a quart, maybe a full quart. So now I'm gonna clean the filter. Sure. Stains on it. There we go. Now we're gonna lower it down. Put about maybe 3.5 quarts. Start the car. Let the oil go into the filter, and then maybe we're gonna have to put another quart, something like that. Okay, now let's lower the car down. We're gonna put some AmSoil oil in it. Okay, now we check. There we go. That's the good reading. See how high it is now? Now start the car and wait for the oil light to shut off. Now we're going to check it again. Now watch. Now look at the reading. Alright, oil change is done. Now we're going to go for a test drive.
Taking over the world.